Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Niarmeen Bueto from English Literature Semester 4. Today I want to present about traditional foods, that is martabak. One of the most popular foods by Indonesians from various circles is the sweet martabak or martabak manis. Sweet martabak is usually sold on the side of the road using a car. In some areas, there are those who call sweet martabak as the light of the moon. This is because the shape of the martabak resembles a perfectly round full moon. Now there are sweet martabak with various flavors. Not only chocolate and nuts, there are also red velvet, matcha, Oreo, and even marshmallow flavor. Usually, sweet martabak traders make this food with around pan of various sizes, from small to large. Even so, sweet martabak can made using only Teflon. Using Teflon will make it easy for you to make your own sweet martabak at home, because without using a special mold or pan. But now I want to advise my favorite menu is pandan peanut milk cheese martabak or martabak keju kacang susu pandan, because that is easy to make. Before you want to make it, you must to have material. First material, 215 grams of wheat flour, 1 egg, 80 grams of sugar, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 tablespoon margarine. And then pandan flour to taste, roasted peanut, and last to taste milk. When the raw materials are fully, so we start doing it. How to make pandan peanut milk cheese martabak or martabak keju kacang susu pandan. First step, beat egg and sugar until bubbly. Add dry ingredients such as flour, salt, and baking powder. Step 2, mix until blend and pandan flour, and let stand for about 15 minutes. And then cover using a clean cloth. Step 4, enter the baking soda and print with Teflon. Wait for the spot to expand slightly. Then and step 5, then you sprinkle the sugar on top. Cover the Teflon and cook over low heat and wait for it to cook. Last step, remove spread margarine on the surface of the martabak with milk, cheese, and roasted peanut, and you can eat it.